Okay, so let's have a look at GBP USD. So today there was a lot of movement on GBP USD. So much happening on USD, right? But I missed it today. I missed a lot of moves. The week in general was good, but today in general could have been better because I've been waiting for this drop for a long time and I still missed it, which is so sad because I was focusing so much on gold, because gold was sitting in a level where I was kind of expecting it to push up. So because of that level that I was sitting on prior to NFP, it kind of crowded my judgment on the USDs, even though I was expecting a positive data because of the JOLTS reports, the ISM, and then the PMI data. They were all looking like a potential job increase. So I was expecting a higher NFP number, but in general, the idea was the market responds negatively and then push positively, but we just had a straight positive push. So this push was kind of textbook. We have price tapping here. That is too thick. We had price tapping into this area here, and it pulls back. NFP just tap into it and then drop. That was like super textbook. Right. So let's start again here. What can we see next as a potential next move for GU? So there are some levels that are important here. Like right now, we have this 2-hour level created, and just like I always do, I'll do a quick scan of the market to see which levels are relevant for me to keep an eye on. So I'll look at this level. There's a confluence with this level here. Uh, 4 hours, 5 hours. So I spot something on the 5 hours here. So let's keep in mind here. So this zone here, what it means is price might take out that liquidity, and then take out this liquidity too, and then kind of look for a potential pullback from here. So for now, all things being equal, that is the next target you are looking for GU. Eight hours. All right. So the zone up here was also very significant on the 8 hours. This is something that could have given you a very good idea of price potentially coming into this zone. That was a very clean zone on the 8-hour time frame. The 9-hour zone is in confluence with the 5-hour zone. 10 hours, almost the same thing. 11. Right, so that level is very significant. 13 hours, 16 hours, and finally the daily time frame, right? So again, if you're looking from the daily perspective, daily time frame, GU is bearish. It's a bearish market. The market structure is bearish, right? You can see that this is our last low we took out here. We pull back area here. So GU long term is a bearish structure. So if you're a swing trader, you want to continue selling, especially as price has come into this area, new highs created here. So this is a long term bearish structure. On the 4-hour time frame, we still have it's an ugly downtrend on the 4-hour time frame, but current market sentiment is currently showing sideways, right? But on the very big time frame, let me see how it looks on the 6-hour time frame, right? The 6-hour time frame is also showing the market going sideways, right? We are not having any potential push, but on the bigger time frame, on the daily time frame, it's a big downtrend, right? So now what we are looking at is GU just like gold, I explained gold. What you're expecting is GU is going to continue pushing down. Let me just have a look at the 1 hour. Right, so GU is going to continue pushing down, so don't try to catch any retracement. GU is going to continue selling and come here into this area here. So it has about 55 pips more. When that happens, then you're looking for a buy from this area back into this level to reset. So if you're a swing trader and you miss this sell here, don't worry, price is going to come back up again, and then from this level, this is where you actually start selling GU long term, right? I'm not going to try and do a very long term projection because we'll be doing this a lot. I'll be updating you from time to time on what levels to keep an eye on. So for now, what I think is price is going to take out that liquidity, that liquidity, that liquidity, and then take out orders from this region and pump to the upside. So I'm looking at 55 pips push to the downside, 140 pips push back up into the zone, and then from here we'll look at a big push to the downside, but the target would be dependent on what happens when market is making that 140 push to the upside. So we don't have to think ahead of ourselves, we take it one step at the other. Right now we look to sell, continue selling to the downside, and then take a buy back to the upside. So those two potential moves, we are looking at 50 pips and 140 pips, which is almost 200 pips, right? So that is GU for you.